my name's Dominic Aprigliano. I'm the operations manager here at Tackwood. We've been here since 1971, so operating for nearly 55 years. We're based in St Neots, and we're a fast fit centre, basically doing all sorts of repairs from MOT, servicing, diagnostics, etc.
What challenges were you facing before using TechMan?
We used to find a bottleneck in bookings, people confusion, communication, all sorts of things like that, and yeah, bringing on TechMan has alleviated all of them issues. Everyone's a lot more productive now, and we're getting a lot more bookings through the door.
Were you looking at other garage management systems before TechMan?
Yeah, we had a couple demos with a few other companies, but we found TechMan was best value for money, and it's just a great system, really easy to use, and we get a lot out of it.
How easy was it to get started with TechMan, like the onboarding, the training?
So onboarding was really good. The initial going down to Northampton, having a meeting with everyone, designing how we wanted our software to look and how it to operate was really, really easy. The in-house training that we got when we switched over, really seamless, and it didn't take long to get up and running at all.
Which TechMan features do you use the most?
Personally I use the reporting quite a lot. There's so many different reports, almost too many, but you can never have enough data. It's really good for looking at how we can make improvements, making great business decisions, but then for the service advisors and the technicians, the use of the calendar and the diary is brilliant for being able to get the work done smoothly.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operations, like the efficiencies or bookings or not?
Yeah, so day-to-day it's been a game changer. Getting bookings through, keeping the customers informed, everyone knowing what they're doing and how much things cost, and being on the same page, it's just been brilliant.
So you've seen an increase in productivity or profitability?
Productivity, efficiency have been up from we were guessing around sort of 55 to 60%. We're now up to sort of high 80s, low 90% efficiency. So it's made a massive improvement, and then turnover and profit have also just gone up by loads.
How do you find TechMan's customer support?
Customer support's brilliant. I like the little ticket widget you've got in the corner of the screen. It's really easy to get through to customer service, and they're really responsive.
What would you say to other garages thinking about using TechMan?
Get on it.
Yeah,
get on it. Yeah, definitely recommend.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.